Whoa, I'm finally back. It's been like over 2 weeks. So in that span of 2 weeks, I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is really cool. I did a stream for it, but I don't think literally any of you like watched it or like tuned into it. I started streaming on Twitch, which is on the screen right now if you ever want to check that out. By the way, I'm so close to Twitch affiliate. If any of you see this and I'm streaming on Twitch, make sure you watch because I'm super close. The main reason why I haven't like actually uploaded anything here is because I haven't had any ideas. I kind of been burnt out of things to post. I've mainly been making content for Twitch, kind of been wanting to get into streaming and everything. Plus I applied for MCC Rising with these goobers, so yeah, that's kind of where I've been for the past 2 weeks. I'm sorry. One question though, why do you have a furry profile picture? Are you one? Yes, I've actually been in the furry fandom for over 4 years. No, the f***ing gay people got you. Just from that zesty laugh, I can tell you're a furry. Okay, I see who is bottom. What is that supposed to mean? Who? You. F you. If I wore the maid outfit and I got Twitch affiliate, do you think I'd get Twitch subs for having a maid outfit on? Yeah. Why is this one easier?
Don't say that. Don't say that word.
Sorry.
Bye.
I stand corrected.